the heavenly bodies. What do you see in the sky during night and day? Yes, sun, moon, planets, and several luminous objects resembling stars. These objects are called heavenly bodies. Facts about Sun. The Sun and the 8 planets revolving around form the solar system. The Sun is the most important form of energy source for all life on Earth. Remember, the Sun is also a star nearest to the Earth. The Sun causes change in temperature and weather pattern. Sunlight is used by plants to make their own food. These plants give food and oxygen to all living things on Earth. The gravity of the Sun helps the Earth and all other planets to move around in a fixed orbit. The Moon. The Moon is a big ball of rock that revolves around the Earth. So we call Moon as our natural satellite. Moon does not have its own light. It reflects the Sun's light back to the Earth. Shapes of the Moon. The Moon appears to change its shape every night as it goes around the Earth. The part of the Moon faces Sun is lit up, and due to the constant movement we see different phases of Moon. Remember that we can only see one portion of the Moon. The Moon goes through 8 different phases. If the Moon appears to look bigger, it is called waxing, and when it gets smaller, it is called waning. The Moon takes 28 days to go around the Earth. So it takes 28 days to form one new moon to the next new moon. Stars. Stars are visible only during night. A group of stars is called a constellation, and the group of stars that form a pattern is called an asterism. Planets. Planets are round objects move around the Sun in a fixed path called orbit. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Exercises. The heavenly bodies. A group of stars is called dash. Constellation. The sun is dash than the earth. Bigger. Dash is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter. The fixed path on which a planet moves is called dash. An orbit. Say true or false. There are 9 planets in the solar system. False. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Constellation is a group of animals that live in the forest. False. A group of stars is called a constellation. When the moon looks around, it is called a full moon. True. Sunlight is needed for plants to prepare food. True.